Yeah, my people, still your boy here. Atakata Abuo 1. Nani Bonino. Always remember, anywhere you are carried, then tell you say Daisy. No saying a setup. I don't come again. For those who never subscribe on my YouTube channel, please, when you come across this video, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm not making this video on my Facebook just because of Facebook told me to wait for now. That is the reason why I never posted video. You understand? Concerning our leader Nnamdi Kanu, for what is happening right now, our beloved brother, the man who have been suffering, struggling to make sure that we get what belongs to us, to make sure that we get our freedom. Now, he don't say it. Now, we are going to know the people who be the real Biafrans. We are going to know the people who love this man. This man, where you see so, then they drag him to kill him. What make me bring this video? What make me do this video now? And they do this video because of one thing. I don't want to do video before because I'm busy. Like I'm just busy. That is why you guys never see me posted video online this time around, you know. So please, when you watch this video, when you come across this, don't forget to share this video. Share this video because I know that this video, when this video go viral, those that call themselves Biafrans, especially Igbo people, everybody just there for social media, they make noise, they pra. Some they do live videos, some they post video, and they watch everything, they see everything. But now somebody will be say, a man will volunteer himself, we don't suffer because of this Biafra of a thing. Nigerian government offer him money, he never collected it. This man never kill any armed. He never kill anybody. Even the Eastern Security Network, where he bring come out, they never harm anybody. The only cow for inside bush where they pursue, where the people they spoil our, the cow where they spoil our land, our farms. That is waiting Eastern Security Network they do. You guys are there laughing. Some they say, hey, they don't catch them. They don't catch them. I don't know the reason why you people can never value what you have until you lose it. You people can never value what you have until you lose it. Everybody they make noise now. If Nnamdi Kanu, then find and they don't see him tomorrow. This is Nnamdi will they talk about now. This is our brother. If anything happened to him, let me tell you one thing. This message is going to especially Igbo people. If anything happened to this man, Nnamdi Kanu, believe me, Igbo go suffer. Mark my word today. Igbo people go suffer. Leave all those ones where they see where we say they be governors, they be senators, all these Igbo senators, Igbo governors. My dear, leave them all. You never see anything. They go make, they don't make their money. They no get problem. They no get problem. You understand? Their children, they go send them abroad. Everybody go they live fine. Una go suffer Igbo. Are they pity una? If anything happen to this man, Nnamdi Kanu, and they talk now, nobody go understand. If anything happen to this man, okay now, the news I hear now will make me bring this, will make me do this video. DSS said, then they enter inside prison where in there, go they torture him. Then they march around. They won't give this guy RIP by all means. They won't give this guy RIP. And if they kill this guy, tell me, what till you go gain? What till you go gain? This man not do anything. He's fighting just for our freedom. Freedom fight. What did this man do? You know they carry gun. You know they kill anybody. Hausa people, all these Fulanis, bandits, how many people they don't kill? Nigerian government don't arrest any of them. Who so-called all these fucking governors where we get for Eastern region? All these Igbo governors, wicked people. You know, if I talk, you'll be like, I don't know what I talk. I won't make you watch this video. Share this video. How many times have you ever heard that any northern governor don't harm anybody for northern side? Have you ever heard? All these bandits, where they for they come? No be not. All these Fulani Ensme, where they kill people, where they for they come? No be from north. Where they pass, they come Igbo land. They come Biafra land. No be from north. All those people now, how many times you don't hear? Listen to me very carefully. How many times you don't ever hear, say, governors, all these northern governors, you don't see anybody, they harm anybody for their side. They send the army, police, men, and they pursue, they kill people. You don't ever hear that? But our also call governors for Igbo land, Imo State, Abia State, Enugu State, Anambra State, Ebonyi State, all those people, Delta State, all of them, they are there. They are not doing anything. All they know is that how to kill their own people, how to harm their own people. Now, the same man, this man we will talk about now, listen to me, oh, this Nnamdi Kanu now, no be the one way you know 5 years ago, 7 years ago. If anything happened to Nnamdi Kanu, now, una go know say, people we won't die for your head, for your matter, no be here. This one now, this message now, Nigeria, they talk, Nigerian government now they talk to now. Now, Nigerian government now they talk to. Why are you people want to frustrate Igbo people? Why you people want to frustrate Biafran? Why? British said this, British said that. This one now, let us leave British out of it. Britain, I know that Britain is, they know what is happening, but let us leave Britain out of this. We are talking about we are Biafrans now, Igbo people. Then now, Nigerian government is holding una leader, Biafran leader, Biafra. Nigerian people are holding our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, being the man who volunteered himself, who want to die just for him to get freedom, our freedom. Nnamdi Kanu is not asking for money. He's not asking for money. He also asks you for you to stand up. Be a man. Stand for what belongs to you. This man have opened a lot of people's eyes in Nigeria to know that all Nigerian youth, this man have opened a lot of people's eyes. He have made people to know that what is happening in that country called Nigeria. Not only Nigeria itself, all over Africa. This man have opened people's brain to know what is happening. But you guys are there. Nobody want to do something. They arrest him now. Put inside cage. Everybody are there celebrating, happy. Some people are even jubilating that they arrested Nnamdi Kanu. Why? The Fulani henchmen, the people that kidnap children, kill them, rape women. You know, Nigerian government never arrest them. You went and they arrest innocent person who do nothing to you, that's fighting for his own freedom, for the freedom of his people. Nothing else, without any harm. I don't have much to say. I want to drop this last message for you. The people who are setting Nnamdi Kanu up, I know somebody set him up. I'm not going to talk about that for this video. Share this video. Drop your comment. You understand? The person that set him up, because you know that before Abraham, Jesus was born. As in okwu na-agawa na ya na-agawa na afia. Oh, mmadụ bụ onye sulie imi. Okay, let me understand. Mmadụ bụ onye sulie imi. I never do video. I don't want to do video all this time, all these things they happen. I don't want to do video. I'm just doing this video now because of what I have figured things out. I have found out what I want to get, and I have gotten it. So I just want to do this video to share this video. Watch this video, share the video, drop your comment, then subscribe on my YouTube channel because another video is coming. I'm coming to give you the link, the person that sukwanari imi, onye suri imi. You think I couldn't understand now? Onye pari imi, onye the person where Chukwum Nnamdi Kanu for nyash, we make them arrest him so, we make the whole and so. Na person do am. You understand me now? Now somebody do am. As no onye mamadu na egbu e. As no onye no mamadu nso ga agbu ya na onu ya na esi isi. Ihe nna kogi be eziokwu nwanne o mmadu kpari imi. Ka nkwusi ebe a, m ga anachita azu ka m broadcast ya gị onye kpari imi. Okay, dem understand. Please don't forget, still your boy. Anywhere you were carried, then tell you say there is no saying a setup. Don't forget to share this video. Still your boy here. Atakatabo 1. Nani Bonine. Let us hold on here. Share this video. May God bless you as you do so. Thank you.